Why do we yawn? It's not as simple as you think. Scientists once thought yawning was just about needing more oxygen, but that's not true. The leading theory now is that yawning actually cools down your brain. When your brain gets too hot from tiredness, stress, or even boredom, yawning brings in cool air to lower your brain temperature and keep you alert. That's why yawning is contagious too. Your brain is wired to mirror others, like a survival hack for the group. So next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's natural air conditioner. Pretty cool, right? Drop a comment if you just yawned.